Nakakatawa ang isipin, alalahanin kung paano ko nakuha yung pangalan mo, no? So, naalala ko noon, nung nalaman ko na nabuntis ako, si Tatang Johnny, ang tawag nga sa kanya, Dionisio yung pangalan niya. So, si Dionisio, sabi sa akin ng daddy ko noon, kinuha yun sa pangalan na Dionysus. So, Dionysus, isa yun sa mga gods of theater. So, saktong-sakto din siya sa'yo. Kasi, ikaw din, mahilig ka din sa arts. From Dionisio, syempre sobrang haba nun. And noong mga panahon na yun, hindi naman kita ipapangalan ng gano'n, no? So, kaya kinuha ko na siya, sinartcut ko na siya to Dion because ako yung huling-huling taong nakita niya bago siya namatay.
Yeah, he was born in the 1940 exactly, during the war. So medyo mabigat ang mga pinagdaanan nila ng mga panahon na yun, especially your great-great-grandma. He used to have a pwesto sa palengke, which the RTWs. Great-grandpa mo, which is Dionisio, actually siya talagang tumutulong together with your lolo Celo sa palengke. Your great-grandfather was your great-grandmother's model dun sa mga suot ng mga damit para mabenta.
They joined some they call it baratillo. Those are parang bazaars or events whenever there are fiestas. They take advantage of it because there are a lot of people. And then afterwards, he also became a bus conductor sa Filipino Rabbit. So just to augment their income. Siyempre, well, that time, siguro he doesn't see himself being a bus conductor for quite a while. So he decided to join the US Navy. At that time, ang nakikita ko pa sa mga picture nun, nandun siya naka-assign sa USS Coral Sea and he became a petty officer.
Fortunately, it was the time of the Vietnam War. So, napasabak ang lolo mo. Karoon siya ng psychological effect sa kanya ang gera.
In the middle of the war, he was already declared clinically dead. Their ship was hit by a bomb, which shook the ship really hard, and that made him bump his head to a metal door or a metal cabinet, which made him unconscious and made him clinically dead for 3 hours.
Growing up, he didn't really have the father kasi he was confined here in veterans.
He's already retired by then. Confined na siya because he cannot walk anymore because of the injury he got from the service.
He didn't have any parents. All we had is the lola. Siyempre, maraming emotions na galit, halong galit, pagmamahal and all. Kasi nai-miss ko rin ang nanay ko. Bakit ako walang nanay?
Napakabait niyan ni Tatang. Sa tuwing uuwi ako noon, sasabihin niya lagi, "Oh, apo," sabi niya sa Pampangan, "May anak ka?" Ibig sabihin nun lagi, ang ibig sabihin nun, kumain ka na. So, yun lagi ko naalala. Sa tuwing uwi ako ng bahay pag galing sa school noon, bata ako, lagi ako tinatanong kung kumain na ako. So, napaka mapag-alalahanin niya din.
Yung laban lang siya, his persistency, and he doesn't give up easily, no? He feels strong about it. He goes for it. Parang sa kanya, failure is not an option.
Ako sa'yo, ipaglalaban ko.